elected as the Vice Chair of the African Union. Mr. Speaker, the African heads of states, the African heads of state never gave him that note. Mr. Speaker.
It was for Ghana TV GH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. It was for one of the tax I name say where there Opa Ghana Ayɛka say dumso. Straightforward, your mind goes to NDC. Opa Ghana Ayɛka say incompetent. Straightforward, your mind goes to NDC. And John Mahama. Now, say one thing we are realizing is say Opa Ghana so see obi a otwantro pa say so NDC for meji sa attribute no afa. John Mahama His Excellency or Parliament read the State of the Nation address. Normally, State of the Nation address there, Anka is supposed to have a nuclear facts. Because number one, you see Parliament a House of Records. Number two, so they say State of the Nation. Enye bibi kwa. Enye say State of the Nation. Enye dimbi kwa na area share wo. As echere say nama ekoso no. Nama akoso no. Enu na Ghana for person wo tie. Enu na constitution framers no say ye uma Ghana for update. Now as our update ni mo no, because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nim say koko for amontua omo, nurses amontua omo, teachers for amontua omo, civil servants amontua omo ti otumbeka, until he resorted to instead lying. Person of a chantro. Now in those lies no see ECOWAS for any African Union for eje to mu say omo nyina beto aba John Mahama. So by either the next chairperson of ECOWAS and I say AU, African Union. It's an achievement because Omo say Mahama a good leader. Sana onuka. Okay, you na this MPP for said Krachi. Untimi John trust Aden. Unnim say your records na. Mama, one year she about agreement ECOWAS for arrive to. Because number one, and they say Ghana, the second biggest contributor to ECOWAS after Nigeria. Ufa ECOWAS block na. And I this be secondly. We Nigeria free my yen, second. And ye chiche power. So nipa ba ye chairman, I say nipa on your chairman. Ghana has a higher stake. Moreover, we call AU hard muswa. Omu chiche no power no according to AI alphabets. Now, ye chiche power no according to alphabet. You see, I better do genes. Now, sa gene no countries be na e gene Africa, Ghana, Gabon, Gambia. Okay, you say, three nations, and I'm benefiting. Now, sa Ghana, Gabon, Gambia. Ghana na the highest advantage. Now this arrangement crown Akufo Addo and a strike here around our mampeni as way back as 2019 hono. And the Akufo Addo arrangement na ene John Mahama you are benefiting from. So if you are benefiting from this now, if you cannot give the credit to Akufo Addo, then rather keep quiet and lying to the people say bibia wa ye nti and I say omo say we a good leader nti ye nim say onye good leader bia o man we obaji free Akufo Addo seminar one scandal of the other one ko top private jet and then for 8 bewu and then for 8 and ko wu helicopter ma on be wu kwan no so and all those bibia ye basa and in turn there entwa ebusanfo before we go into the conversation Ghana TV especially be a studio total budget in 25,000 Ghana cedis. What about dollars almost $2,300 US. Muna me boy na be a studio because ebe boy a party work no pa. Ocean for na ba no screen for me. Bet na fa na ba no na kitwa bi so whatever you have support ɛxp0sed. Ghana Samunim say, so far no, one of the only pro MPP radio stations are blogs are account social media. And him said, Debia Muna Mobile, you attend to our request. Don't go anywhere yet. There's a beautiful conversation about your mom and Trono. Every one of our MPs. I'll see the next one. Cheers.
Elected as the vice chair of the African Union, Mr. Speaker, the African heads of states, the African heads of state never gave him that note. Mr. Speaker, now let me take you through this. The African Union Commission has what we call the Bureau of the African Assembly of Heads of State. Mr. Speaker, let me explain to you. We have 5 blocks in the African continent. Mr. Speaker, we have the chairperson, we have the first vice, we have the second vice, we have the third vice, then we have the rapporteur. Mr. Speaker, this is what happened. It is rotational every year. Mr. Speaker, now when you assume the chairperson, Mr. Speaker, the first vice, the second vice, the third vice, they move hierarchical. So when a country wants to step in, Mr. Speaker, you step in from the third vice position. Mr. Speaker, in 2023, Nana Addo Akufo Addo lobbied the African president and lobbied African Union, and he got elected into the bureau as the third vice chairman of the African Bureau of Heads of States. Mr. Speaker, so this is what happens. Mr. Speaker, so this is what happens. 2024, Ghana becomes the third vice chair of the African Union. 2025, Ghana becomes the second vice chair because of the progression. 2027, automatically Ghana becomes the chairman. Then the chairman becomes the rapporteur. It rotates like that. The chairman, I have this evidence to put here. This is on the website. The 2024 African Union heads of the Bureau. The 2025, in the 2024, Ghana was the vice chair, third vice chair, Nana Addo Akufo Addo. 2025, Ghana was the second vice chair. 2026, John Dramani Mahama, first vice chair, automatic, because Mr. Speaker, he moves like that. So, Mr. Speaker, John Dramani Mahama was never elected in Addis Ababa. He only progressed in the bureau as a result of Nana Addo's foundation that he has laid. Mr. Speaker, I move to my second point. Let me place on record that the passport application in Ghana is never 24 hours. It has never run 24 hours before. Mr. Speaker, no aspect of the passport application in Ghana is running 133. Never. Mr. Speaker, no area or no procedure in our passport. Even the earliest you can get is when you do expedited. Mr. Speaker, and the expedited action, the expedited passport. Quite recently, the minister also placed a closure or a indefinite hold on the expedited action. So you cannot apply passport in Ghana and get it within 3 weeks, as he said. It is a lie. It is never happening. It goes beyond that. Let the president be clear and straightforward. Mr. Speaker, it is false. Mr. Speaker, it is sad that we are only having rhetorics as against results in this country.
Hold on.
Mr. Speaker, we are only having rhetorics.
Did you say it's a lie? Oh, please. If he did say that, he has withdrawn from that.
The president misled the House. The Speaker, the president misled the House. Mr. Speaker, now, is it not ironic to hear the NDCs when the CD is artificially appreciating against the dollar? It is assumed as the prudent economic management of the NDC. But Mr. Speaker, when Bank of Ghana is making losses, that one, it is the doing of the NPP. Mr. Speaker, when fuel at the global market is down by its inference, fuel prices in Ghana are low. It is the doing of the NDC, their
Honorable Safaye, I cannot stop you. It is automatic. Come again. Okay. I give you 5 seconds. I give you 5. Honorable members.
Mr. Speaker, when the fuel is coming down, it is a doing of the NDC. But when cocoa prices are going down, that one is doing of the MPP. Mr. Speaker, when inflation figures are going down, it is a doing of the NDC. But when electricity tariffs are going high, Mr. Speaker, that is the doing of the MPP.
Thank you. So much.
Otto Prince Bay 2. Miss Mahama Befidu, Ibrahim Mahama, or Prince Bay 4. Oh, Ghana, the whole Ghana.
No, they didn't know Koto plane, man.
And God, I'm fine, I should cramp what the agony because the MPP for the yet Ghana, not a mebra. Ye MP for no swim, nya chum, sabi nya chumbi, or ye hear day. Share na do nimia a not make coming canning your crampum. Now, Fassi, our bear finance minister. She ya MPP for na cramp binum solid gine. The papa didn't waff an hour fast. So Ibrahim Mahama or to print. And would end this nibia solar bonton. Abacasana or Abacas a BB. So the might be
defending the cry.
So the might be when MPP can you MPP for cramping a bear Judas? Yebeko ye MPP for ye diama. It's in Yamabi or ye MPP for young boy ye know to say a bois or war. Or do some time be a yamet talk. Carlo Crown, I bought a young tall lolo crown, near shame pass, Sabu, Woochum, Papa and Abban, Bolna Yaso, Ninayanti. Naya young one as Sabi Yakano, on boy. Eatim, Ayakam, on boy. Mama Yenua, on door. Because, and this is for the pepe being no womb. She in Yama fun. Nanka ye be you be a nursing, nursing to the Kusta wooden tankaja, a book of Bedina a ye, Ghana Abacacha in the 25 million, a ye Sikak assistant, 31 million. She be in a nursing, if she back now punch nursing. Silver glass. Ni porty the mule, wait to wa fully she a coshi or that foria, Sabu, or bottom da concrasses who are caca catch and grass from a Sabu. A binum so one jewel from Ube JD. Wait, about to make what can what to a model, what to and got into 25 million if you call what them one. About to my head then, was because you were gonna food you or said the 7 drain or will foam. I point you see you, silver grass you. Being a head and see, never call wa. I'm sure you are called way. You got terminate it about to good day.
I've been out.
To be in, I had not seen, never bob you. Ojina folesima ono yin ehwe yi ejamwa habembe ejamwa difference bie ni
Okoye grass
yenye de minim pay oba abonten obaka che kokoi kwafo de 25 million sabi nye binu sabi Ghana fo nya adwunu wo foma nka sebo glass otide obetumi botu huntuma e de eguyen yoda timi nuanu MPP fo mama yanka kan yan humbom mama yenye nuado yanka mbom prior kura obo but ekaboma obeye den paadi ebotum na NDC fonsam hu na nyamafu awo ya ne Ghana yentu be yanka wo yankasa ne yenja yan ho na ye keka no sisi ama demi abeye obaka me brother me hu obi mpo am support me ampa ndem tamba this time member price for because in painful na wo bogu ho me hu edwuma bi a wo ye ya also menu a okama akoma sisi me hu obi a me begine na echimpo de me bo support ehwa because of inyaman kitinkiti bi enyem panfu bi no entumi ntu wo ho enfensi wo sabi yin no krampa ye wo media so etumi ebo yin modern ye send skedu kofie wonko nkrase wonko yede wonko ye ekwanyi pa boy abakwa wo botu sabi nyem de miskam de mambusu bi mpo akam didi de obotu mi da ye ni jeti atona de so party hu donti nyimpa peje de miska nyina ade boy so na mu panfu na bi tutuo wo skank obotu ida akọ na wa hye coat abo won tight de sabi wo kwei with the office untum nkonkrase ina abofo kwampa wo de coat wo de bend we ja hye wo hye jacket in a t-shirt ewa brochi iti MPP mpanfu no won ja coat hye na won pe t-shirt bi na won hwehwe yi chale bi to won as na nkonkrase na nkoye hard work wo na wo na edwuma no papa no ogu because ekwkrase bi obi a wo 10 obi a wo 12 obi a we dem kola ni na gugu ho na won ja coat na wa hye ne de bi aba wa utai na ye bo twe nya ma ho de ya to ho na achi be Mabra man ato.
So that's it. Yeah, voice. That Padaboko. Look at them. Come up with Jenny Madum. That
patrol I didn't want to know once aquafaba and abato dama no cramp no me sure then can out on best city in Poma no the may 10 city always ask from the mala and the patrol work at the Oba raise patrol no about to patrol moon and the work at the Oba patrol Oba tomb. Never any time it there patrol one casan at two patrol do and then my maintain is scanner my yedotono dada. Cocoa ya talk ya Akufo Addo abe for cocoa 4.5 mo the cocoa akwa to 31 500 penado to do nyamina adom esi the cocoa ato abefom why you 500 no you 500 nka wo de ma Akufo Addo 31 no nka wo wa sanso ya Akufo Addo ne 500 asanso aka ho ama sisi cocoa fu inde cocoa krase obi alusu anke sisi o man ya we elbu ibi se ga NDC biala on ka san pepe bia fa wo de mu na ngwa na wa to do mu na ngwa na wa to do mu na ngwa na wa to do sisi ende ukobe bia na biala mu na ngwa na wa to do tele wonya san pepe bia Akufo Addo ba ya odi Ghana card odi drone odi health insurance odi ambulance odi first bus na adiro leban owon kuti emu na nwa ebisi NDC bia watu mu na nwa obi dia de papa ba o man yim no wo de mu na nwa na da hye Ghana ma masa
oh, dollar man come on, you do na. And when I'm going, alrighty. Anyway, voice said that's what I was. I don't know you, Marcus, but the one I see anyway.